Hello friends and hello student. My name is Ashok Sikyala. In this session, we learn the two classes in Java. So first I share my laptop screen and fix the position here so you can watch better my video lecture. And here I use simple notepad to type our Java program. So first our definition. So write a program to use of two classes. Yes, that is our goal. So yes, first we can define the stud class, and that we can declare like integer. So that is a roll number, and then string, that is a s, name of the student. So there are two member we can first take, and now again that is a public, then class and two class CLS. Yes, that short I give the class, two class, that our file name and class name both are same. So where is a main method? So that you can give the file name. So yes, so sometimes it's question what each class file we have to save. So there are two class, but first we can, yes, our main method is there. We can save that our file in the Java, that class name. Okay, so here we can define the, yes, so that object. So how to create the object? Yes, so you have to know is a new keyword and new operator, so that we can define, and then assign s1, that is a roll number, and that like 101, then s name of the student, so I assign the ram, and then yes, so we have to print. So system dot out, and then print, yes, that we can say that first is message or heading, so roll number, and then s1 rno, again plus sign, and then we can give the slash n and name as a heading, and then s1 dot s name of the student. So yes, that very simple. Here there are class that now you can define the semicolon. So that is a whole one file, and main is our this two CLS class is our file name as class name. So now I can save these files. We can say that Control S. So Java Pro, that is our folder, and now I can save. So that is a two, two CLS dot Java file. So save that file and minimize the notepad and go in the command prompt. So yes, that is a open. So I click and maximize, and then cd slash, so f colon, and we can go Java Pro, that is our folder, and Java path, that is our batch file name. And yes, so set the JDK and set class path of Java C, and we can say that first, that is a two cls dot Java. So yes, that compile, yes, there is no error, and two, yes, cls, that is our class file. So you can look roll number and name. So yes, that is a very easy and very simple way we have to define. But here we can use the value as static and assign in main method. Now we can also use the method in our class. So here we can take as a method. So we can say that void set value. So we can pass, and you can also use constructor, but first I use the method. So set value, that is our method, and then string s, and now we can just assign the value. So here we can say that r and o directly an r variable, and then s name equal to s. So that perfectly. And also I use the second, and that is a show or display that name. So we can print this, so that I copy this line and paste to here. But here there are in the class, so there is no required to this object s1. So directly we can use the member. So you have to know the private member, the that method in the like object in C++ that directly access. So here there are no required to initialization because we have to pass the value in method. So yes, I call the method and that is a set value. So we can initialize so 101 and in double quote RAM. So there are two argument and then we can call the show. Yes, so that is a display. So that is scenario is changed. First we can initialize in the main in second class, but now our same stud class we can initialize both value and print also. And here only that is a like common in C and C in C++ we can in main method we can call the class object and call that method. But here there are two class and main method class that call this first class. So stud class set value we can pass two argument and then show. So let us check. Now I can save again. Yes, so first I can save control S. Yes, control S I can give. And now let us compile and run. So that is the same output. Yes, so you can look there is no any error and same result same output, there is no any change. So yes, in this session I just define how to class apply in the Java. So I hope you can understand, and also you can use initialization as a constructor. So yes, you have to know constructor is a same name as a class name. So that is a you have to use parameterize, and then you can assign the fold constructor. Then you can also take as parameterize constructor. So now what to do? So yes, here we can pass directly. This line is no require. So that is a I give the comment line. Yes, and we can pass directly. So 101 and in double quotes RAM. So that is a perfectly. And yes, I control S again and let us compile and run. So compile and run. So yes, that is also same result. There is no change. So we can take the three way to you can initialization of class member of Java. So first technique in the main that second class, and second technique method of the first class that the same we have to initialize that method, and now third technique that is a constructor of that class. So I hope you can understand and enjoy this session. So my goal of just you can how to do class work in the Java. So just subscribe my channel Ashok C Java Academy. Press the bell icon to never miss any update. And thanks for your watching, supporting, and sharing my video lecture. And Hare Krishna.